Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y97 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store. Make sure that you've got the internet connection and be aware because you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it right now or you can simply check how to do it using in our tutorial on our channel. So now here we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner and enter My Apps and Games. Then let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And right here we've got the list of apps which can be updated. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just choose specific options like the Google Chrome and Google Drive in my case, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.